Have you ever wondered how something this small can be manufactured millions of times? With almost perfect precision? Because in modern industry, making a single bullet is easy. The real challenge is producing millions of them every month, with exactly the same quality, shape, and performance. And what's even more surprising, a microscopic defect can completely change the pressure generated inside a firearm. That's why modern ammunition factories look less like ordinary metal workshops and more like high-tech engineering laboratories. Everything begins with massive coils of brass weighing several tons. This material is carefully chosen because it's strong, enough to handle extreme pressure, yet flexible enough to expand safely inside the chamber during firing. The production line starts with giant stamping machines. With every thunderous impact, flat sheets of brass are punched into small circular discs. In just 1 minute, thousands of metal pieces can be produced continuously. But these pieces are still far from becoming bullets. Next comes the drawing process. Powerful hydraulic machines stretch and compress the brass multiple times until it slowly transforms into a hollow cartridge case. And this is where the engineering challenge begins, because every time metal is compressed, it becomes harder and more brittle. Push it too far, and microscopic cracks can appear inside the casing. To solve this problem, manufacturers use a process called annealing. The cartridge cases are heated to extremely high temperatures, allowing the metal structure to relax and regain flexibility. Once cooled, the base of the casing is shaped with extreme precision to hold the primer, the tiny component responsible for igniting the entire chain reaction. Inside the cartridge, the production specifications are incredibly strict. Some factories can manufacture tens of thousands of rounds per hour while maintaining tolerances measured in fractions of a millimeter. Even the amount of propellant powder inside each cartridge must remain nearly identical, because the smallest variation can affect chamber pressure, projectile velocity, and even shooting accuracy. Meanwhile, on another side of the factory, the projectile itself is being produced. Lead cores are molded and coated with copper to reduce friction as the bullet travels through the barrel at extremely high speed. Finally, all components are assembled together. Automated seating machines press the projectile into the cartridge case with remarkable precision. Within seconds, separate pieces of metal, powder, and components become a fully completed round of ammunition. But perhaps the most impressive part is the inspection system. High-speed industrial cameras scan every single cartridge moving through the production line. These systems can detect defects so small that they are nearly invisible to the human eye. And honestly, this is what makes modern engineering so fascinating. It's not just about producing something quickly. It's about designing machines, sensors, and automation systems capable of maintaining consistency across millions of tiny components under extreme precision requirements. Because sometimes, the smaller the product, the harder it becomes to manufacture perfectly at massive scale. So what do you think is the most difficult part of modern bullet production? The powder precision, the metallurgy, or the automated inspection systems?